BELIEF Khaoyai, a new luxurious cafe in Khaoyai. BELIEF Khaoyai is the latest cafe to open in Khaoyai, quickly gaining attention from coffee lovers and travelers. The cafe combines luxury and modern design with natural surroundings, creating a unique and relaxing atmosphere, design, and interior. The cafe is designed in a striking black and gold color scheme, giving it a sleek and sophisticated look. Inside, there are multiple seating areas, including air-conditioned zones and outdoor spaces where guests can enjoy the view of them. Surrounding nature, the cafe spans 3 floors, offering plenty of space and comfort. From many spots inside the cafe, visitors can see a large forest garden and waterfall outside, blending luxury with natural beauty. Natural surroundings. Outside the cafe is a spacious forest garden with a waterfall. The area is designed to harmonize with the natural environment, complete with streams and flowing water. It's a peaceful space ideal for walking, relaxing, or taking photos. Many visitors describe it as a calming and refreshing escape from the city. Photo opportunities. BELIEF Khaoyai is full of beautiful spots for photography. Inside, the stylishly decorated interior offers many aesthetic corners, while outside, the natural waterfall and forest garden provide endless photo opportunities. Guests can easily spend their time exploring and capturing the perfect shots. Drinks and desserts. The cafe offers a wide variety of beverages and desserts. Guests can choose from freshly brewed coffee, refreshing cold drinks, and an array of cakes and pastries made fresh daily. The flavors are delightful, and the prices are reasonable, making it a perfect spot to relax and enjoy a treat. Visiting tips. BELIEF Khaoyai is conveniently located on a main road with ample parking, available for visitors. Even a short visit of around 15 minutes can be enjoyable. A recommended quick visit plan includes taking a walk through the forest, garden, and capturing photos of the waterfall and natural scenery. Visiting the interior spaces for stylish indoor photography. Ordering a favorite drink or dessert to enjoy in a relaxing setting, even with limited time. Visitors can experience the unique combination of luxury and nature that BELIEF Khaoyai offers. It is a must-visit cafe for anyone looking to enjoy both elegant design and peaceful natural surroundings in Khaoyai.